Hey y'all, the good folks over at DECERK, D-E-C-E-R-K, sent me over this brushless impact driver kit. We're going to get it opened up, check it out, and see how well it works. It has a brushless motor, and it says a 21-volt lithium battery. 0 to 1650 / 0 to 2350 RPMs. No load speed. It's a 1/2 inch drive. Okay, it comes in a nice case. It's too pretty to be inside, so I'm outside today. Pretty cool looking case, hard plastic. There we go. Have our Cordless Impact Wrench instruction manual. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sockets, an extension, an O-ring, looks like a little belt clip, 2 batteries, charger, and the wrench itself. Fits the hand really good. I like that. That's your reverse right here. Stick a battery on there, see if we got any juice in the battery. Like I said, these are 21 volt max lithium ion 4 amp hours. Sounds like it's ready to go to work. In the center is the lock. That's forward and reverse. There's a little button here on the front of the battery. I know you won't be able to see it, but it's got some LED lights right here. You push that little button and it'll tell you how much charge you got. Got 3 bars right now. Okay, the little belt clip is gonna go right here on the side. Right, just like that right there. That's cool. Carry it in your pocket upside down like that. Now I played with it a little bit and looked at the instructions a little. If you turn this on and squeeze the trigger in reverse, it'll only go a little bit. You can hit the power button while that is lit up. If the lights are on down here, if you can see where I'm pointing on the panel down here, then you can adjust it. If they're off, just bump it and it'll turn it on. But you can hit that power button and then it'll go in reverse all the time. When you put it in forward, you have a low and a high. Hit the power button once, and that's on high. You can see it on the graph down here. I know y'all won't be able to see it in the light, but if you drop it again, then it'll go to the lower speed. That's how you adjust the torque on it. And the reverse, where it'll just stop for a moment. I say stop for a moment. See, it stops. But if you push it again, then it'll completely go. So if you just wanted to go slow on reverse, backing something off, like that. Pretty nice. The sockets are heavy duty. They look like 3.5 inches long, give or take. Don't have my tape measure out here. These are in metric. That one is anyway. Are they all metric? Yep, they're all in metric. Just pop them on there. You're ready to go. You did have the extension. Put that extension on there. Then you could drop the socket on that if I put it on the right direction. Now what I was reading a while ago, was it on the box? Yeah, on the low speed, it's gonna be 0 to 1650. And on the high, it's going to be 0 to 2350. So a little more torque with on the higher setting. If you'd like to get yourself one of these, I will put a link in the description, or you can order your own. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate that. One of the things that I don't like about it is the socket will just slide right off. I was noticing that while I was using it a while ago. Even your extensions, they don't lock in. That would be the one thing that I don't like about it. They should have a little ball in there. It's got the notch for the little ball that goes in the socket, but these don't have the socket. So a different set of sockets might work a lot better than these that come with it. Just thought I'd let you know that. Other than that, it's pretty good. So as you saw, there are multiple uses for this. You work in the house, work out on the car, whatever you need to do. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.